What's up? This is Tyler Snell, and this is a walk-around video of my 2009 370Z. It's a manual, and I really enjoyed this car. I've had it about 6 months now. I'm getting ready to sell it, but here's what I got on it. We'll start with under the hood. Only thing I've done under the hood is a Sundown Generation 3 cold air intakes. The hood is full carbon fiber and also functional. The headlights, I've had them taken apart and painted the backs black and also put the halo in. For the wheels, I have the Nismo wheels. They come factory on the Nismo 370Z. Mine is just a sport touring model, but also have upgraded brakes and rotors as well. For the radio, I have a double-din Pioneer head unit with reverse camera. I have two Sundown Ev.3 12s, 8,000 watt Soundstream amp, and a dB drive capacitor. Here's a demo of it. This song is called A Lot by 21 Savage.
Turn my headphone down a little bit. Yeah. 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 Times you got shot, how many niggas you shot, how many times did you ride, how many niggas you died, how many times did you cheat. You went and wrote a statement and that really put me up.
For the exhaust, it's the brand Top Speed. It's their full exhaust system. Here to start up in a few revs. The car also has XKGlow underglow. Wasn't hard to install. It has like a million shades of colors, like 1,000 patterns. The most expensive thing done to the car is the wheels, the Nismo wheels. If you know about them, you know they're pretty pricey. Alright, so that was just a trash video on my 2009 370Z. It's my 10th vehicle so far. I've really enjoyed this one.